Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, today's topic of reading is actually on a very interesting topic. So we are gonna check like what are the gossips about your relationship. So like people are gossiping about your relationship. If you reach this reading, definitely this is like you need to hear like the gossips about your relationship. So something people are like gossiping about your relationship. So let us find out what the actual gossips are like going around your relationship. So what people are gossiping about your relationship, this is like the tea you need to know. So yeah, I would say let us see the tea, like what are the gossips about your relationship, like what people are actually gossiping about your relationship. So yeah, the first card came out to be the King of Cups card. So yeah, the Seven of Cups card, the second card, the Seven of Wands card. Seven energy is very prominent here. Empress. So I'll take out the Two of Swords card, and the last card came out to be Seven of Pentacles. And energy deck is like Ten of Cups card. So interesting. We'll find about your relationship. So yeah, people about your relationship are assuming that maybe you are committed. Like a lot of people are making assumptions about your relationship. Like this is the real gossip going around you, because people find you to be really interesting. People find you to be very unique. So yeah, they are gossips about your relationship. Like these are actually creamy. So yeah, uh, there are certain things, some people think that you are pretending, you are not showing the actual fact, which is like quite represented by the Seven of Cups card, which is like you show maybe you are in a relationship, or maybe you show that you are not in a relationship but you are actually committed to someone. If you show that show to people that you are not in a relationship, then people assume that you are actually committed to someone. If you show people that you are in a relationship, then people around you think that you are actually not in a relationship. Like whatever you are showing is a portrayal. Nothing much like you are pretending to be in a relationship, but you are actually not in a relationship. Like this is the gossip. You are actually confused in life. So this is like coming across, people around you are assuming that you are confused in life, but a lot of people are like actually attracted to your personality. They find you really attractive, like that is coming. So yes, uh, you are not someone who would like actually entertain. You could be having a lot of people around you. Like if you are a female out there, there could be a lot of males who could be like really interested in being in a relationship with you, but you are the one like who is keeping the barrier, who is keeping the distance, who is actually not interested in being in relationship. Or you don't want people to like peep into your life and find out gossips and make fun of your life, something like that. You don't like people who are actually gossiping, so you keep distance from the people who are actually gossiping in your life. So this is like quite evident. And also there are some people, for some of you I feel they are gossips, that you are in a relationship with someone but that person is manipulative. For some of you I can see the gossip. For other half of you, most of you, the other people are thinking that you are not committed, but you are keeping a distance, you are actually not interested in relationships. So that is out there. Also you could be married, some of you could be married. So there could be assumptions that either you are committed or you are married to someone. Most of the people like looking at you assume, even if you are not, you have not told that you are in a relationship with someone or something, but still people assume you to be married to someone or somewhere, or you are like committed. So they are assumptions. Also people around you find you like husband wife material. So people around you like find you extremely trustworthy and like really attracted to your personality. Also they see that you are actually caring person, but you're not dumb. something about you is like making sense. People think that you are not dumb, you are caring person, but you are not dumb. You know when to care, how to care. You are a lovely person, but again, you're not dumb. Like, you can't be fooled by people. So that, like that are the gossips. Also, a lot of people, a lot of secret admirers want to be in a relationship with you. Like, that is like clearly evident. So yeah, you are busy in your own life, that is also coming across. You are busy with your own struggles. You are like entangled in your own life, that is like coming really strong. So yeah, you are, even if you're not showing people around you what's like going in your relationship, or you're not showing the gossips, then also people are like able to assume that you are busy in your own life. Like, you don't focus outside. You are either committed to someone, or you are with no one. You don't want anyone in your life. This could be possibility, but there is an energy that you are keeping barrier. You are keeping barrier. You don't want people to like get into your life. You want to stop people. You don't want them to like evade your privacy. So yeah, that is coming. All the cards are like flipping up away. I don't know why. So yeah, people around you don't want you to know. Like, a lot of people are actually intimidated from your personality. They think that you might shout on them, or you might not take the things very cool, very easily. Like, you have a lot of secret admirers, let me tell you. So a lot of people admire you, and a lot of people are actually eyeing your relationship. So yeah, a lot of people want to come towards you and like have a fresh start with you, have a conversation with you, build up something with you. But actually, the main point here going is, so yeah, while I was doing your reading, the cards just flew away, and the card which came out after the cards flew was the Wheel of Fortune card. So you are actually focused in building your fortune. You are actually focused on building your career. You have seen a lot of like, what I say, betrayals from people around you, but simultaneously you are focusing on your life. You are either more career oriented, or you are more oriented towards your life. Like, you are not behind materialistic things. You are like more behind your career, earning money, and like not buying things, but yeah, behind career, and focused your energy towards something, either your married life or your career. So for some of you it's coming married life, for other half of you it's coming career, but you are a person who is like least concerned about what is like going around. Also, people try to involve you in other things. Like, people around you want you to get involved in other things, like the other politics going around, but you are actually not that person who would like get involved really easily. So you don't get involved easily, neither you want to be a part of any of the politics. You just want to be like, you want to stay away. You want to focus on your life. You don't want to like be part of any of the politics. So like, that is coming through. So this is for your reading. If you want to get a personalized reading, you can DM me on Instagram, predictions by Sia, for the personalized reading. Also, the number is available in the description box of this video. Also, there you can DM me for the personalized reading. Also, you can get the membership of predictions by Sia. There you might get like the videos, way less people take the membership, to be very frank. So like, your crowd, the competition, the people who are watching actually get eliminated by 50%, or 60-70% sometimes. So each month the number of subscribers are different in the membership. So there is a bright possibility that you can find out some exact messages for yourself, exact guidances. Like, this channel is like more focused on love readings, I would say, but the membership part is like, I would say, rather a combination of miscellaneous topics, like related to career, related to the guidance from the God. So, which can actually help you in your life, in your day to day life, which could actually like help you channelize your energy in useful things. So, those videos, those guidances from the God could actually, you can find them useful. So, like, that is coming. So, thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe for more such readings.